David Shaw here with another off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., come visit my site, offtherecordtours.com. Let's go. I'm standing in front of a statue of a young boy, a naked man, and a partially clothed woman. This, of course, would be the Boy Scout Memorial. So I guess when this was dedicated in 1964, a naked man with a Boy Scout wasn't as big of a deal as it's become of late. The naked guy is supposed to represent physical, mental, and moral fitness, devotion to country, and a solid six-pack, good citizenship, honor, and courage. Or at least the courage to walk around without any clothes on. The woman symbolizes enlightenment with the love of God and fellow man, justice, freedom, democracy, and total denial of what's going on all around her. The Boy Scout is striding into the future, representing hope for tomorrow and a general cluelessness of what's behind him. The Boy Scout oath is carved in the base. The part about being morally straight is rather interesting given the context. This is in the President's Park near the White House. It's the site of the 1937 National Boy Scout Jamboree. The artist, Donald DeLue, he has a large portfolio of lots of sculptures of manly men. At the dedication, Supreme Court Justice Tom Clark accepted the statue on behalf of the nation. It was his 50th anniversary of becoming an Eagle Scout. And I don't know if this scene brought back memories for him or not. Now, it's odd that this is called a memorial. As we've talked about before, monuments are for the living, memorials for the dead, or things past. So I'm not sure whether this is a memorial for dead scouts or a memorial for scouts that had some other scouting experience. In any case, it's Washington's creepiest statue. I'm out of here. Well, I hope you enjoyed that off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., things seen and unseen, arrange your tour of your nation's capital at offtherecordtours.com. Until then, I'm David Shaw.